The final edit of the video and we came to know that we didn't even shot the intro. So here we'll be riding to Ratchakonda Fort and Ratchakonda village and we'll be exploring various places over there. We got lost, we didn't have network, then we found the places which were wonderful, marvelous. So we'll be showing everything in this video and watch and enjoy guys. Good morning guys, and this is 5 a.m. Maybe you will be guessing like why he's geared up and all. Yes, you can see the happiness on my face guys, and it's a ride day. So here if you can see, our bike is already ready and geared up. Yep, she looks quite beautiful right now. Guys, quickly stop for a breakfast, and here we have two bikes and we have another biker friend here, Sonu, the biker boy, Praveen, the MBA boy, and I am
Chapri boy.
Chapri boy. Okay. So this is where we had a breakfast, and we have vlogging another upcoming vlogger, ABS Vlogs.
Chal
Let me promote him so that I get paid for this breakfast. Sponsored breakfast by ABS Vlogs guys. So guys, we are halfway around here, and this is the location we stopped by. Good buffaloes, good goats around here. So also good Praveen. And just take a look at this guys. Did you ever saw this view before? Like all the buffaloes are on lineup. More disciplined than our rider here, Sonu. They are more disciplined than Sonu. See, just take a look at them. మా సోను మన సోనుని
अरे रे ना बंडी अरे रे हाय हाय ईशान हाय बोलो हाय
హాయ్
हाय देयर इज नो सपोर्ट एट ऑल यू आर टेकिंग द वीडियो राइट
yes.
लेट्स गो
So yeah guys, no gears, nothing at all, because we have car taking our luggage. And yeah, no mask at all. Because this place is totally greenery, guys. There is no one else other than us. Because we are going to some offbeat place which no one went before. So let's see how that turns out. This is how the routes are. Exploring this location, we don't know where we are headed to, and we just lost our car. So we are pretty much in trouble right now. We don't even know where are we. There is no network coverage as well. I don't know whether I will be able to post this video or not. We are just stranded here because we just lost the car and we don't have anything except my bike. So that's what is going to be adventurous right now, and that's no less than we expect. So that's well and good.
बोल भी वीडियो में जब निकालता है तो
अरे आ रहा किशन भाई ले रहा आ गया ये वाटरफॉल इसी में पानी रहा तो अच्छा रहता.
क्या देख लिया भाई, हमें तो जोश नहीं आ रही है बिल्कुल. और भाई ABS बचा है कुछ अंदर? स्विच ऑफ होने वाला है अभी ABS इसका. बिरयानी तो मेरी हो गई मेरे भाई. This is totally deserted and this is actually a fort which goes all around over there, and this is the view, guys. This is the view. Wow. We'll be heading towards the top and showing you the view, and this is a just starting view. This is like a normal one. We'll be going here. This is the first viewpoint. This is just basically below the fort itself. Just a starting of the fort, and here we can see the great view. Great, guys. Let's see what all we could explore. Exploration is on progress, and here we'll be trekking from there. We'll be climbing this mountain over the top, and there will be our viewpoint. So there is no other way other than trekking here. That's what we plan to do, but we are quite exhausted right now because we've been doing this from a while right now, and it's too sunny day today. So let's see. Finally made it to this waterfalls. It's cute, nice and small waterfall, but the location is the main attraction point over here, not the waterfalls. But still it's good. Still is good. And here my friends just joined me, so it's been a great time. Totally drenched with sweat because it's quite a hot day, guys, over here. And if I could show you the waterfall, this is how it looks. Guys, we are still lost. That's the update, and this is the wonderful place we are at. We'll be heading back now so that we can make it. So we are turning back, and yeah, this is like more of like a stressful job for a bus. Better, guys, if you can see.
भाई हम तो पूरा भीग गए यार, पूरा भीग गए.
Okay, यार, कितनी जोर से बारिश हो रही है. कैसा लग रहा है भाई एडवेंचर? हम एक ही नहीं, अपन के साथ साथ कार वालों को भी रुकना पड़ा बिकॉज अपन चला नहीं सकते, तो 2 बाइक 1 कार वालों को भी रुकना पड़ रहा है हमारे वजह से. यार काफ़ी मतलब एडवेंचर वाला चल रहा है. एकदम गीला हो गया यार, और नीचे नहीं दिखा सकता है, काफ़ी गीला है. देखते हैं, बहुत तगड़ी वाली बारिश हो रही है. लेट्स वेट. एडवेंचर, पार्ट ऑफ एडवेंचर, लविंग.